I think everybody already knows my love for Subtl. They just did a major upgrade and they sent me some things. Let's go. I am very excited for what is in here. Oh, first of all, cute little bag. They changed the color, it's purple. This is a like printout of the upgrade. Let's break into some of these boxes. There's now a brush that goes in the stack. Oh shit, it's so good. Old, new. Made it a little bit bigger. Packaging's now like this clear matte. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Now there's a mirror that comes with the stack. There I am. There's a little brush. It's so cute. Oh, it's very soft. Oh my god. It's so cute. Okay, time to add things to my stack. Okay, brush cleaner, of course. It's so good. At the bottom of my stack, top of my stack. The dry brush cleaner. Oh my god. Okay, so there was an old thing with the packaging where sometimes I screwed it on too tight. It was hard to like unscrew it. This I just tighten like crazy and it still comes off so easily. Oh my god, I love the new color. It's so good. This is a concealer refill. I didn't even read the pamphlet. Are these refillable now? Yeah. They're refillable. This is what it looks like when you buy just one piece and you take the plastic off. You just push from the bottom. This piece comes out. Take the concealer out. So this is what the refill looks like. You just pop it in, put the lid back on. That was so easy. Add to my stack. Oh, let's put a lip and cheek. I think this is my fave shade. So mauve has always been my fave shade. Now it's called Mauve in the Maldives, which is very cute. And I love that now these line up. Good job, guys. I'm just gonna put on a bronzer. Beautiful. Pop her on. Boom. This is the new stack. Mirror on the top. There's my powder. Brush is down at the bottom here. My brush cleaner. Concealer and cheek in Mauve in the Maldives, my favorite shade. Bronzer, and again, I already showed you the powder. Old, new. This baby. Good job, guys. Bless. I'm still gonna use all this up though.